Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video, and in this video I will share how you can make money, literally $100 to $5,000 a day. Sky is the limit where you can go with this using mostly free applications, free softwares. And if you don't get free softwares, don't worry about it. I will show you at the later part, but don't worry about it. My software will give you free solutions, so stick to the end of the video. This is going to be a multi-billion-dollar industry that I'm exposing to you, and there are literally so many people ready to pay you in many different ways. You can use this to build a solo freelancer agency, or just you can use it as a solo freelancer, or you can use it for yourself, or you can work for any company that provides this particular service. Stay tuned with me, I'm gonna expose it to you. And it's so big that even the internet giant Amazon built a wing around it. Not only that, they built another wing for the health industry alone, because in 2017 a particular thing around this industry on health industry were valued $5 billion, and that is probably why Amazon started this wing, and since then it's open to everyone. But literally sky is the limit to how you can make money with it. I'm going to expose it to you in a moment. Stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm going to share one specific website that will pay you for this service. You can do the job using free applications online, kinda free. I mean, they have a freemium option. You can use them free for a certain period. But in case you need help, my software is there. That's why I have a software company, because I love my viewers, because my viewers are spending their hard-earned time, hard-earned money, time. Yeah, because time is money. So you are giving me time on my videos. This means you are giving me money. And my softwares are there for you. Link will be in the description, but don't get excited because the video is exciting. So let's begin. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you the first when we will upload our next video. Literally everyone needs it, but let me read out loud who need this the most. Law firms, paralegals, court reporters, and attorneys. These people have money and they will pay money for this. Medical and healthcare providers, students, lecturers, doctorates, market researchers, events individuals and keynote speakers, audio and video podcasters, entrepreneurs, all level of entrepreneurs, video production firms, publicity coaches, marketing consultants, freelance writers, SEO experts, content strategists, and authors. The best part of it is you don't need skill. You don't need to learn anything. You just need to know how to use the software. Is this video good? Please hit the like button, subscribe button, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we will upload our next video. You know, back when I started, people told me about product creation, product selling, softwares, list building, affiliate marketing. They all worked, and they will work, but they are not user friendly. They are not beginner friendly, unless and until a beginner starts thinking how to help others and make money, how to solve other problems to make money. This is where you solve a big problem without skills. Any beginner can start doing it. And when we started doing these kind of works, we started making money. That was our beginning. And it can be your beginning too. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you the first when we will upload our next video. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on Gotranscript. This website offers transcription service, and they charge money from their clients, and they pay their transcribers. So let me show you how you can join, become a transcriber, and transcribe using a software, free software. By the way, there is a software in the link in the description that is my software is for you. But you can use another software that I'm showing here. So let's begin. Go to gotranscript.com, click sign up, use your email and password, your full name, choose your industry. I chose marketing or market research for this. Put your company name, and click sign up. Now it will take you to the orders section and your balance, notifications, affiliate. In order to become their transcriber, go transcript.com/transcription-jobs. Now here is how you can get paid, and the jobs are available worldwide. Top monthly earnings is $1,215. Average earnings per month is $150. You can pay it even more if you want. Apply now, and then you have to go for the text. You should read the frequently asked questions, especially how you are going to get paid. Is there any limitations from your country, from your language, or anything else that you should know about? Then click the apply button, choose your language. I chose English, and go for the test. Now I am going through the test. This is the second page. And once you are done, click confirm, and your application will be reviewed. Once you are approved, you have to be 100% correct in the test. They will let you know, and you can start your transcription service using this website. Is this video good? Please hit the like button, subscribe button, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we will upload our next video. For getting the transcription done, use a software service called otter.ai. OTTER.ai. Now you can sign up using your Google email or your Microsoft email or your Apple email, or you can use your email to create a free account. And you can also log in using your Google account or any other accounts. I just entered for a free account 600 minutes free for 1 month. After 1 month, it will expire and you will no longer be able to use it for free. But there is a way to use it 100% free. I will show you at the end of the video. But before that, let's go to how to use it. There is one way is just hit record, and once you start speaking, the software will transcribe your voice. Now you are not giving voiceover here, right? So let's stop this. The software is super awesome and so easy to use. Click the import button, and in the free account, you can use only 3 imports. Now I will show you another easier, interesting way to use it without importing. But you can simply hit the browse file button and click upload. Once the file is uploaded, your transcription will be ready. Now you can share the link using this button, enable link, and you can copy link and share with anyone, or click these 3 dots and export it in any format you want. You can use text, docs, PDF, SRT, clipboard, your choice. Now let me show you how you can use without importing. And it's actually very simple and pretty basic. Just hit record and play a video with your speaker loud. Now when you get a transcription job, what will you do? You will go to a website called otter.ai. It's OTT. So you know what happens. Basically, the software will listen from your speaker to the microphone and it will transcribe. So you can use complete 600 minutes free for a month. Now let me show you how you can make it free for life. For that, you can go to more. No, not here. In this section, click the drop down button and click the refer and earn. Here you have your unique referral link. Copy this link and share with people, your friends and family or whoever want to use this software, and ask them to create an account. Whenever someone or a new user creates an account, you will get another month free. Now this way, I have this software free for 35 years. I think 35 years is enough for me. But here is the deal. When you start making money using this service, why would you use somebody's software for free? I would highly recommend, when you start making money, pay for their premium service, because this is a company and they can only run their company or continue providing a service if we pay them, right? Anyways, you can always have my software free in the description. Go in the description, by the way. Did you like this video? We put a lot of effort on it. Please like the video, hit the subscribe button and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we'll upload our next video. And we can't wait to see you in our next video.